Boston Dynamics and Google DeepMind have announced a strategic partnership at CES 2026, merging Atlas's cutting-edge hardware with DeepMind's advanced AI. This collaboration signals a pivotal shift in humanoid robotics, aiming to create machines that are not only physically agile but also truly intelligent and adaptable. At the core of this revolution is the new fully electric Atlas, which replaces the retired hydraulic models. Engineered for real-world industrial use, this robot features 56 degrees of freedom for fluid movement, tactile sensing hands capable of lifting 50 kilograms, and a rugged design built to withstand extreme temperatures and harsh environments. Complementing the physical hardware, Google DeepMind is implementing its specialized Gemini Robotics foundation models. By utilizing Gemini Robotics 1.5 for vision language action control and an advanced reasoning model, Atlas gains the ability to perceive its surroundings, reason logically, and execute complex motor commands based on visual inputs. This partnership aims to overcome the limitations of traditional robots that rely on pre-programmed sequences. By transforming Atlas into a sophisticated learning system, the goal is to move beyond scripted actions, enabling the robot to adapt in real time to unforeseen obstacles and dynamic industrial settings. The integration of Gemini models allows Atlas to learn new tasks in under a day and instantly replicate that knowledge across an entire fleet. Scheduled for deployment in automotive factories in 2026, these robots will possess enhanced perception and decision-making skills to handle complex tasks like machine tending and order fulfillment. The path to full autonomy involves significant technical hurdles regarding data and hardware safety, as well as profound ethical questions regarding job displacement and AI responsibility. Both companies are committed to addressing these issues, prioritizing safety protocols and responsible standards for human-robot collaboration. The convergence of Atlas's agility and DeepMind's AI represents a monumental leap forward, evolving robots from engineering feats into versatile, learning machines. This synergy promises to revolutionize industrial automation, paving the way for a future where humanoids operate with unprecedented autonomy and safety alongside humans.